Hello everyone, I am Shaburi from HookedInLoops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for getting updates of my videos. By the way, don't forget to like, share and comment. My today's tutorial is on this beautiful crochet hairband which has got a lace-like pattern, and I have decorated it with crochet bows. I have also added strings at the end of the hairband so that you can tie this around your head. You can make this hairband for any size head based on the circumference of the head. Okay, you can increase the length of the strings if you want. So for this project we will use a 4-ply acrylic yarn and a crochet hook of size 3 mm. At first we will make a slip knot and then insert the hook in it. And now we will do our foundation chains. So we will do a total of 9 chains. Okay. After that we will do a chain 3. This chain 3 is the first double crochet stitch of this first round. We will yarn over and then we will insert our hook in the 8th chain from the hook, and we will do 3 double crochet stitches in that particular chain. Followed by a chain 3, and in the same stitch, that is in the 8th chain, we will do 3 more double crochet stitches. After that we will yarn over and do 1 double crochet stitch in the last chain of the foundation chains. Okay, so we will do 1 double crochet stitch in that particular chain. We'll begin the second round, so we will do a chain 3. This is the first double crochet stitch of the second round, and then we will turn our work. We will yarn over and then in the chain 3 space we will be doing 3 double crochet stitches, followed by a chain 3 and 3 more double crochet stitches in the same chain 3 space. And then we will do 1 double crochet stitch in the 3rd chain of the starting chain 3 of the previous round. So insert your hook in that particular chain and do a double crochet stitch, and with this we completed the second round. Similarly, we will begin the third round with a chain 3, and this is the first double crochet stitch of the third round, and then we will turn our work. We will yarn over and do 3 double crochet stitches in the chain 3 space. Followed by a chain 3 and 3 more double crochet stitches in the same chain 3 space. And then we will complete this round with 1 double crochet stitch in the 3rd chain of the starting chain 3 of the previous round. And with this the third round comes to an end. We will begin the 4th round with a chain 3. This is the first double crochet stitch of the 4th round, and turn our work. And in the same way we will do several such rounds. Let me do few more rounds and show this to you how it looks. And after that we will begin the next round with a chain 3. As usual, this is the first double crochet stitch of this round, and we will yarn over and do 3 double crochet stitches in the chain 3 space. Followed by a chain 3 and 3 more double crochet stitches in the same chain 3 space. And we will complete this round with 1 double crochet stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of the previous round. And in this manner we will continue throughout our pattern. Okay, that is chain 3 followed by 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochets in the chain 3 spaces, and then 1 double crochet in the third chain of the starting chain 3. And when our required length is reached, we will just complete our work. By the way, let me show you one more round before completing it. So chain 3, turn your work, and 3 double crochet stitches in the chain 3 space. Followed by chain 3 and 3 more double crochet stitches in the same chain 3 space. And then we will complete this round with 1 double crochet stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3. And our required length is reached based on the circumference of the head. And then we will do a chain 4 and we will slip stitch in the chain 3 space, and we will do a chain 4 again, and we will slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of the previous round. And with this our hairband pattern is completed. We will do a chain 1 and just cut the yarn. So the lace portion of the hairband is done. Since it's a lacy pattern, so it has got an elastic effect. So if you want, you can skip the string adding portion and just stitch the end of the hairband. But if you want to add a string for tying it back, then just take the yarn, make a slip knot and insert the hook in it, and then we will slip stitch in the chain 3 space and do as many number of chains as you want. Make the length of the string quite long. I kept it small just for the tutorial purpose, but make it long because you will be tying this around your head. And when you have reached the desired length, we will do one more round. That is, we will do a slip stitch in the second chain from the hook, and we will continue doing slip stitches in each and every chains of the string. And we will complete it. And when you have reached the end, just complete the remaining chains, that is, do the slip stitches in the remaining chains. And at the end, we will slip stitch in the chain 3 space where we began and do a chain 1 after that, and we will just cut the yarn. By the way, weave in the loose ends. Okay, similarly we will be adding another string on the other side of the hairband. So we will be taking the yarn and doing a slip stitch in the 8th chain of the foundation chains and do our strings, and when they are ready, just tie a knot like this around your head. So our hairband is ready. If you want, you can leave it as it is, but I wanted to add a bow to the hairband for that cute effect. So it's very easy. We will take the yarn, loop it around our two fingers forming an X and turn our fingers, insert the hook below the first loop and draw the second loop from below, and then we will yarn over and draw the yarn through the loop, and the magic circle is ready. Then we will do chain 5. After that we will be doing 5 double triple crochets. So we will yarn over thrice and insert our hook in the magic circle and draw the yarn through it. We will yarn over and draw the yarn through the first 2 loops, yarn over and draw the yarn through the next 2 loops, yarn over and draw the yarn through the next 2 loops, and then finally yarn over and draw the yarn through the last 2 loops. This is a double triple crochet in US terms. Again we will do it. Yarn over thrice, insert your hook in the magic circle and draw the yarn through it, and then do it as earlier. So we will be doing a total of 5 double triple crochets after the chain 5. So we will do 2 more to make it total 5 double triple crochets, and when it's done we will do chain 5, and then we will slip stitch in the magic circle. We will make the circle smaller by pulling the tail of the magic circle, and then we will slip stitch in the magic circle. So with this, one portion of the bow is ready. We will make the second portion in the same manner. We will do a chain 5 at first, and then in the magic circle we will be doing 5 double triple crochets. I do all my crochet tutorials in the US terms, so my patterns are always in the US terms. Okay. So we will quickly do our total 5 double triple crochet stitches. And we will complete our bow by doing a chain 5, and then we will do a slip stitch in the magic circle, and our bow is complete. We will secure the slip stitch with a chain 1, and then we will just cut the yarn keeping a long tail. Pull the loop like this and tighten the stitch. Pull the tail of the magic circle to close the circle, and now we will just wrap the long tail that we left around the central portion of the bow like this. And when it's done, just tie a knot with the tail of the magic circle at the end. And our bow is also ready. We will now simply stitch the bow to the hairband we prepared, like this, vertically or horizontally or in an angle, in whatever way you want. So we have stitched the bow to the hairband, and it's looking just perfect and beautiful and lacy, perfect for newborn babies because you can tie it around the head. I think it's a perfect hairband pattern, and it was also easy to follow. Just comment in the comment section if you have any queries regarding this pattern. Please hit the like button if you liked this video, and please share my video to the fullest. I have a website at www.hookedinloops.com. You will get my crochet patterns there. I will add this pattern soon in my website, and you will get loads of crochet patterns in my channel, so you will just love it here. So please subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.